Do you ever wish for your very own cloud storage that enabled you to back up, store, and share unlimited files without worrying about storage limits or paying for expensive storage upgrades and monthly subscriptions? Imagine, in minutes from now, you'll get your very own Dropbox or Google Drive, but without any of those ridiculous monthly fees. The fact is, storing, hosting files, and having an up-to-date backup are the most important parts of building an empire. It prevents you from redoing tedious work. You can simply edit your past templates or reuse images and videos with ease. It's also important that no ransomware or malware extorts money in exchange for your data. And you definitely don't want to lose all your precious images, files, and videos to unreliable disks that crash unexpectedly. But almost all of the online cloud storage backup solutions have some key problems like, number one, they can get really expensive for limited online storage. Number two, they have limited options on how data can be shared with friends or business colleagues. Number three, almost all of them have specific restrictions on accessing data from anywhere. And that's why we have created NeoCloud, the next-gen cloud storage solution with one-time fee and no restrictions. It would effectively enable you to upload and store unlimited files no matter what size using our cloud-based storage. Access your data from anywhere in the world, right at your fingertips. Just log in from any device of your choice and start uploading in minutes. Share your files with friends and family, customers, or business partners on social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter with just one click. Protect your data from hackers and attackers with end-to-end encryption. Instantly back up all your data, including videos, documents, audio, and images, so you can manage them all at one place. Efficiently manage your data and segregate it into virtual folders in just one click. And a lot more. Just drag and drop your files to upload in minutes and transform your cloud storage experience with no limits, no restrictions, and no recurring fees. Finally, say goodbye to paying ridiculous monthly fees to cloud storage systems like Google Drive or Dropbox in exchange for subpar services and questionable privacy policies, or being restricted to the number of files you can upload and share. Not to mention living with the constant fear of losing your data stored locally on your computer or mobile phone. NeoCloud makes all of this a thing of the past. Now you can upload, store, and share unlimited files for eternity for pennies on the dollar. The best part is it's 100% newbie-friendly and extremely fast that all your files can be transferred today. Plus, you're also protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you don't think this is every bit as good as we claim at a fraction of the cost, then just drop us an email and we'll give you your money back. So if you're at all serious about your business, about saving money and making your life a whole lot easier, then there's only one thing left to do. Click the button below now to claim your massive discount on NeoCloud before this offer expires and gain instant access to the only and last cloud storage platform you'll ever need for a low one-time price today. Cancel those pesky monthly subscriptions that keep adding up and get better storage service than before. Get access now, and we'll see you inside the members area.